I brought you a video a couple of days ago saying that Gala had to hold this key yellow line through here. However, as you can see, it did trace along the top for a bit, but ultimately it did break through not only the 50 period moving average, this green line here on the 4 hour, but also it did break this yellow line, and ultimately we did fall towards the downside. But something is happening right now, which is quite key to see. If you look back previously when we came up, we did find resistance here, and then we broke through and then turned it into support, showing that this current level, which is sitting at around 0.55, just below, down to 0.54, is key for Gala to be able to hold. If Gala can hold here, then ultimately we will be pushing back towards the upside. But if we are unable to hold this level here, then we are going to see further capitulation towards the downside. So what is happening right now on the Gala price? Right, so guys, if we take from this previous swing low up to the swing high, we can see the retracement on the Fibonacci tool. We have come down to the 0.618, whether we're going up to the upside, we can see the 0.618 always playing out as a key target, but also on the downside, you can see that we wicked down twice. Not only on this big red candle that pushed down here, and then we came up a bit and then pushed down again, but both times have managed to maintain ourselves above this level before pushing to the upside. Now, what I think is realistically going to happen for Gala is ultimately we will be looking potentially at this price target here. Okay, so ultimately this does say that we will be pushing down much lower towards the 0.37. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that this is going to play out 100% of the time, but what I can really see happening at the moment is we're going to come back down and we're going to retest this 0.618. If we're retesting the 0.618 and we're finding support again, we could well be putting in a double bottom here. But in reality, I think it's more likely that we're going to be pushing down, in which case we're going to be meeting the 100 moving average and potentially lower down at this level here, which is the 0.46. Now, in the past, we came up and hit here, showing previous lines of resistance. Now flipping into support, potentially again, we saw resistance being formed here. So yeah, in my opinion, I think we are going to come down to the 0.46. Ultimately, I don't think realistically we're going to be pushing all the way down to these levels, but I could be wrong, guys. So always go away and do your own research. In my opinion, Gala, if it can't maintain this level at 0.54, then we are going to be coming down to test the 0.46, and then we'll have to have a look again and see what happens at this level. So make sure you are taking care over the weekend. Obviously, trading over the weekend can always be a bit unexpected with movements that we're not always anticipating because of the way the trading volumes work. Guys, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and if you're new to the channel, and hit the subscribe as well. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.